Hello everyone, my name is Badal Mishra and I am the co-founder and CTO at VG Private Limited. And in this video, we are going to see how to create an item inside ERPNext version 16. Okay, so in my desktop, what you can see is you can see a desktop view of the new Frappe version 16 or ERPNext version 16. To create a new item, you can go through two ways. Either you can go to buying or selling or stock, and over here you can see an option of item, right? Or you can search for item list over here in the search box. In both the ways you can reach to the same place. Okay, and to create an item, what you have to do is you have to click on add item. Okay, and inside that item you have to write the basic item code. Okay, so for example, if I am working in a clothing industry, right, what I can do is I can create a t-shirt of size M, X, XL, double XL, triple XL, right? So this is what we are going to learn today in complete how to use the item code. So I'll just write for item shirt SHRT 001. Okay, and shirt full, I'll just write. Okay, what is this item? So item is a product, right? Garment, for garment, if I have any GST code, so I'll just use a GST code. If I have an opening stock, I can use it. If I have a selling price, I can create it. So maybe I'll just write 1000 rupees is my selling rate. Okay, opening stock, I am just not writing it. You can write the description of this particular item. So a full shirt with multiple variants, okay, made up of cotton, right? Brand you can write. So I'll just create a new brand. Maybe VG Private Limited is the brand. Okay, just a second. VSPL control S. This is my brand. Unit of conversion would be numbers. Okay, now over here the main thing is two ways, right? So if you have any barcode for this particular product and you want to maintain the barcodes, right, you can come over here and create a barcode that we can understand in some other videos for a retail specific video when I am creating it. So I'll do it, but valuation method would be something like first in first out, moving average, or last in first out. I'll just use first in first out. That is the basic. Okay, accounting, purchasing, sales, all these things comes up over here. Now the main thing which I wanted to tell you is has variant option, right? So has variant, what does it creates? It creates a multiple level structure wherein if you create a product, you can create n number of products and its variants using this following feature. So if you click on has variants, there is a new tab which will come up, and what you can choose from is you can choose the size of the variants which are available. Okay, so if I go inside size and see what all variants are available, so these are the variants which are available: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, right? And I can also add one more variant for color. Okay, so if I'll see colors, you'll see that red, blue, green, many things are present. All right, now if I'll save this, price cannot be created obviously because it has a template, right? So I'll just click save. All right, so this is a template which has been created, and now I can create variants of this particular item by clicking on create and clicking on multiple variants, right? So if I select all these variants, okay, and click on make variant, make 25 variants, so all the combination of these variants would be created in just one click. So if I click this and I'll go this, so you see that all the variants of this shirt, full, medium white, medium black, blue, green, red, white, then small, everything is created in just one click, right? So this is the power of ERPNext and its item creation, wherein we can use this mostly for retail industry. This is very efficient because over there a lot of variants are present. But in manufacturing also, for example, if you are using nut bolt and you have different sizes of nut bolts, fasteners, right, all those things you can create as a template, and then you can create multiple variants of those templates, right? So I hope this video was knowledgeable for you, understandable for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.